अस्सलाम वालेकुम और रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं प्रॉन रोस्ट। प्रॉन रोस्ट बनाने के लिए 15 to 20 small onions, shallots crushed, 3 green chillies crushed, 5 to 6 garlic pods also crushed, curry leaves, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chilli powder, 1.5 tablespoon coriander powder, half teaspoon saunf powder, fennel powder, half teaspoon pepper, salt and turmeric powder. Also 300 to 400 grams of cleaned prawns, coconut oil 1 to 2 tablespoons and vinegar. Add all the ingredients to a bowl except for the coconut oil. Add 3 tablespoons of vinegar. Mix well. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of water. Add the prawns. See that the masala is coated all over the prawns. Mix well and keep it aside. Now take a mud pot, keep it on low flame, add coconut oil 2 to 3 tablespoons. I prefer using mud pot for seafood. Now add the prawns along with the masala one by one. Cover with the lid and cook for 10 minutes. Keep stirring in between, just from the side. 10 minutes is more than enough for the prawns to cook. Don't overcook it, it will become rubbery. Once it's done, add few fresh curry leaves and that's it. This dish is ready to serve. Thank you for watching.